In this video, I have to make a video game in 2 days or I have to eat a lemon. Yeah. So now that you're back from the intro, let me tell you. So basically it was a Friday evening. I was kind of chilling and I thought that my life wasn't very challenging apparently. So I wanted an amazing challenge that would be very challenging, like making a game in 2 days. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking back then. But anyways, I have to attempt the challenge. So I opened up Unity and yeah, that would be amazing. I had a game idea. I opened up Unity and I started making the game. But I didn't have a game idea. I had to open up game and I was thinking of some concept art, some game idea. So basically I started scribbling because scribbling apparently helps me in game ideas. Yeah, that's weird. I agree with you. Anyways, after scribbling for some time, I thought why not make a spaceship games like Space Invaders. That game was a retro classic, right? It was super amazing. So why not make it modern? And I liked that game idea really very much. But as everybody knows, spaceships are kinda hard to draw, like seriously hard to draw, more harder than a character. Anyways, I somehow drew a spaceship and it took me an entire day, so yeah, that's kinda sad. Anyways, boom, I opened up Unity, boom, I made some stars and some space, and boom, we have our spaceship with the shooting mechanic implemented. So yeah, that was basically day 1. I implemented the shooting mechanic, made the ship move around, added space and stars, and on the next day I started working on making the art for the evil ship. So yeah, I didn't want to spend my entire day just making art for the evil ship because I really hate lemons, like yeah. So what I basically did was I allotted some time for me to make the spaceship. If I didn't make the spaceship in that much time, this video will never be released and you will never be hearing this. So anyways, I somehow made the spaceship in time, which was 1.5 hours, and yeah, it kinda looks good. I am not at all biased, it looks really amazing, right? So anyways, boom, I implemented it into Unity and now it moves. But the thing is, it's kinda helpless and defenseless. So boom, now it can shoot the player. Yeah, that's really amazing. Totally did not take me 3 hours to find that out. Anyways, I was thinking that it would shoot a bullet, then the player would kill it for some time, then again after a specific pattern it would shoot a bullet again. At that time you had to dodge the bullet and you had to kill the enemy spaceship again. Yeah, these bullets do a lot of damage. So there are two types of enemies. One enemy just shoots one bullet and other enemy shoots 3 bullets. So if you get hit by the 3 bullet enemy, you're basically done for. It takes like what, 6 HP. That's a lot of health. Anyways, after that I implemented the menu, right? Boom! There we go. We have a menu now. And the buttons decided to not work for some reason. Then I crashed my head on a wall and now my head pains. Ouch! But I got the buttons working eventually. So anyways, I wasn't having much of space for all of these enemies to fit in the screen. See what I did there? Space. Ha. Yeah. So anyways, I reduced one enemy. It was supposed to be 5 enemies, but I made it into 4 enemies. It felt good. Like, yeah, just look at this video game I have created. Basically, had nothing else to do. I exported the video game, and I set up all the resolutions and stuff, and I exported it to itch.io. So now the game that I made in 2 days is on itch.io, and it's also really amazing, not gonna lie. You can go check out the game with the link in the description box, or I will try this I button thingy and somehow put the link there also. So anyways guys, that was basically the devlog.